check out this tool. This is a start. You can, I believe, is get a free starter kit when you buy a tool. You buy one get one free at the Lobes. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Guys, this is on clearance. I don't know if they're gonna lower this price even more, but it's $8,499. So keep an eye out on that one, because it's, or on those. Same thing with this one. This one's on clearance. I believe this one's just store by store. This one's $16.39, down from $19.39. So a few bucks off on that one. All right, and then it says joint fix something. Then the seat's a little crack in the seat. That's all it has. Basically, brand new unit. And same thing with this one. This one's on clearance as well. This is a Toro recycler. I believe is a self-propelled model. So this one's $360, down from $549. This is a killer deal on this one. It says reconditioned. So it looks brand new to me, if you guys look at it. All right, so more Boland's side discharge, $149 on clearance. And then check this out, guys. There's a killer deal on this one. This one's really good. I wish I had the money. It's $499, down from $999, so $500 off on this one. This one's 50% off, guys. If you guys, I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna, you're gonna see that even lower. I'm pretty sure not all the stores are gonna sell out of those. They got the string trimmer on sale for $119. You got this this one on sale. It's 49 or what, 50 bucks off on that one. Yeah, but for other generator deals, you can always check out the Costco. They always do have bigger discounts than the Lobes. All right, this one's on clearance, guys. I don't know exactly what is if this is the regular price, but if you guys have a question on this, make sure you guys double check it or punch it in your store. Hopefully, they'll you'll see it lower than that, because sometimes you get some crazy low prices. I mean, I seen those for $100. I've gotten one. I believe it was $150 last time I got one. One of those mowers on clearance. All right, so you got this. All these are on clearance at the stores, by the way. The mailboxes and all that. You got a drive bit set there for $8 for the Bosch. These are solid bit sets. Probably one of the best ones I've used. So definitely check these out, especially for $8. That's a no-brainer right there. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna go over all this because we're a tool channel. All right, talking about safety on the tool world here. This is a FeetSmart flood security camera there. Pretty good deal on that one. And then $95 down from $119 for this power stack battery. $69 down from $119 for this. Looks like an extended piece for the drywall. And then the hatchets and the axes are on clearance. I'm not gonna show you guys all of them. Got this really nice toolbox on sale. This is 11 drawer chest combination, $698. However, I believe for that, just about that price, you can get something a little bigger. But if you want like this color, then obviously you're gonna get that at All right, all these are on clearance. I'm not gonna show you guys all of them. I'm just gonna show you ones that I thought that were best deals. $335, and then this one's $199 for them, $249 for the 4-gallon twin stack. And then this one was $141, down from $189 for the 2.5 gallon. 6-gallon one tool. This one's $169, down from $199 for the one tool combo. And then these are I believe this radio is one of the best ones. I believe Project Farm did a video. This topped out pretty much the best, even including from Milwaukee and all those. Probably the best sound too as well. If you guys haven't, that's a pass through. If you guys haven't checked out these drills, guys, I do have a video on one of these drills. Actually, a model better than that one. They do have all sorts of technology. They do have angle technology and all sorts of stuff in there that no other drill does have. I'll see if I can link that in this video. But we got a whole bunch of clearance on this table. All the oscillating tools from Rockwell and Works and all that stuff. So this one's 72, down from 84. And these are recorded, by the way, except for that last one. 55, down from 64. Like, I would definitely wait for these to go down, because nobody's gonna buy these at these prices. I'm pretty sure they're gonna end up putting them like for like 30 or 40 bucks. And check out this tool tote. This is a really nice tool tote. $89. I really love what they did with these, with the yellow on the inside. I just wish they put it all yellow on the inside, because sometimes it's when it's darker it's harder to see, but it's still pretty easy to see with that yellow on the sides. And it's pretty heavy duty. That's for the backpack. That's 99 bucks for the backpack pro. And this is $16.98 for the goggles from DeWalt. Alright, so these are pretty nice. I gotta see them I gotta take them out of the box though. $43 down from $54 for the 2 amp battery. And this one's on clearance, multi-tool, $71. These are brand new boxes. They just had a whole bunch of racks of power tools on this side, and blades and stuff like that. So this one's $79 from $99. And then we got some more Dremel, $84 from $99. And this one's $67 from $74. And then $39 from $49 there. Got to select Bosch 18-volt battery kit and get a free tool. This one runs not to 10, 30, 24. So you guys got a few months there. Pretty solid deals. Let me tell you. These are, you can choose from the angle grinder, the cutout tool. That vacuum's pretty nice. The hammer drill. That was the one that we saw over there. The screw gun, oscillating tools. The reciprocating saw. So check out this tool. This is a quick lift. So this is an assisted lift, including, if you guys are doing doors and appliances and stuff like that, you guys can level stuff out. You know how you have to level the appliances for fridges, and you still got the buy one get one free. These are really, really good deals, including that impact wrench, a reciprocating saw. What is it? The circular saw, the rocket light, the miter saw, belt sander. All those are really, really good deals. All right, you got the buy one get one free with 8 amp hour battery. Get 2 free. Runs down to 821. You guys get a few days on that one. And then same thing with that battery. So same thing with that. It's just a different side of things, or All right, on this one's on clearance. This was a project kit, Black & Decker, $62, up from $89. I believe those have a drill that comes inside and all sorts of little stuff, mainly for DIY. This one's on clearance for $39, down from $49 from the Craftsman. It is a polisher. And then same thing with Craftsman. You buy the tool and get a free starter kit. These are definitely killer deals on these, especially for the DIYs. These are brushless tools, so you guys know those are working real well. Alright, if you guys are pros, there you go, guys. $169 impact driver or drill driver, $279 if you want impact driver and drill driver, 2 batteries charger in a case, or $379 if you want the 4-tool combo kit with the reciprocating saw and a light. I would definitely go for the second one. I think that's the best deal. And that's the Craftsman we just saw over there, which are, I guess you could use this as a pro, but and there's more tools, like it says out there at the bottom. They got the SDS rotary and impact wrenches. So there's more tools you guys could choose online. I still need to make videos on these. Hopefully I can get one today, specializing on these other tools you guys could get online for these. Same thing with this. You buy a starter kit, or get a free starter kit when you buy a tool. So especially that nailer, the vacuum. Those are all great tools to get with this deal. So definitely check this one out. Alright, so more deals here with the Cobalt, $249 for the starter kit. And you get a brand nailer there for $199 starter kit. And you get a 3-tool combo kit for $199. Is a pretty good deal. And then the impact wrench there. So $142 down from $219 for the bench saw. And then you got this Cobalt. These are brand new tools, by the way. If you guys haven't seen them in my past videos. They just put a whole bunch of new Cobalt tools. I'm not going to go over all of them because we've seen them in the past. So make sure you guys check out the other videos. Still pretty good. $92 on clearance. And then these are on sale. I just like the way they did these because they're actually bigger in size. It's easier for my hands because I got bigger hands. It's easier for my hands to reach them. So I really like the size of these. You just get a lot more leverage, because when you got a really small one, it's harder to get that leverage. But these are pretty large size. I really like them. $19.98 a piece, and then this one for a 2 set, you got $29.98. Definitely a really nice deal on this one. All right, some more stuff on clearance. This is from the Jorgensen. This is $39 down from $49. For a miter saw, this is a manual miter saw, old-fashioned elbow grease there. And then you got these are chisels. These are newer. I haven't seen these before on the stores. Pretty nice, pretty good looking. This one's on clearance for $2.99, or on, yeah, it's always on the clearance section. Plunge saw. And then some more stuff on clearance. This is a really good deal on this Cobalt Light for $24 or from $98. I should have just gotten it. I was very tempted. All right, cutting accessory kit for $23 or from $29. By the way, this is another big section, a clearance section that they had. Wood micro oscillating tool. This is corded. Then you got $7.47 for this drywall bit holder and extractor. It's pretty nice. And then you got this Irwin, really nice plier or fencing pliers. $10.57 for these, pretty nice. $69 on sale. This was a 6-count wet and dry vacuum. Does come with a lot of attachments there. And then this, check out this drill brush. It's pretty nice, guys. If you guys want to get these on Amazon, these are cheaper at Amazon. If you guys want to get, sometimes they do not last as much as something that's, you know, name brand like this, but still pretty good because you're getting a whole bunch of brushes for just about that price. So, but just keep in mind that they're Chinesium quality. So, use once, use twice, maybe 3 times. That's it. All right, and that light again, we saw it on this section, so that's a pretty good deal on that light. Solid deal on this. Check out the you got the nailer and you got the triple hammer. Now that's something I really like what they're doing with these combos. You know, just some combos you don't see every day with other brands, with those nailers and stuff like that. You got this twin stack on clearance for $149. By the way, we went to 2 different stores. This is another store I went to, so I just put everything together. Just, you know. So this was the DeWalt that's on clearance as well. So and then this one's $319 there from $399 for the 4-piece combo kit from the DeWalt. That's pretty nice. A reciprocating saw, a light, impact driver, drill driver. $8.37 for these blades. And then we have the specs. And then we have some more DeWalts here. This was $349. These are top level tools, or top of the line tools, whatever you want to call them. These are XRs. These are the brand new presentation of the battery. That's going to be the gray 8 amp hour battery. It's not going to be the power stack, but it's still a pretty nice, you know, different color for the newer batteries. $229, $349 for the hammer drill. And that 8 amp hour battery. And then you got the buy one get one free. They got their own big section here by the pro side. And then this one is on clearance for $174 down from $249. Get that ratchet bear. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to